At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's Sword and Gun Day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Come with it. Come with it.
Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?